Thirikari riu ni ikitie ndurumeni yao kaunti-ini ya Embu kuria maminista mugwanja mekinyitie guthurima uria tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere iratwarithio. Maminista Fred Matiang'i, James Macharia, Joe Mucheru, Farida Karone, Simon Chelugui, Eugene Wamalwa na Cecily Kariuki majirie icera riao thibitari-ini nene ya Embu kuria kwina mutambo mweru wa urigitani wa CT scan,
so that we can review the implementation of these projects to be sure that A, we are on course, 2, we will keep the time as given in the projects, 3, we are not losing resources, and 4, we are meeting the objectives of the president.
Oho, Matiang'i augate ni maratanya guthiururuka itaro ciothe inyanya cia bururi makiaranagiria na thirikari cia kaunti uria mekurutithania wira na honge cia thirikari nene.
We will go everywhere in the country. We are going to go to all the 8 regions of the country. We don't want to give excuses at the end of the year. The president expects results and he expects factual information.
Nake minister wa barabara na waki James Macharia augate thirikari etanyite kunina icagi iria ikoragwo matura-ini kwa ihinda ria miaka 4 kugerera waki wa nyumba cia raithi kuri muingi.
We want to eliminate slums in this country. We have about 6.4 million people, living in slums.
Na Minister Fred Matiang'i ni augite ati ni megukorwo magicera matura mothe guku bururi-ini handu hothe hena mutaratara wa thirikari gutigirira ati mitaratara ino ni yarika kwa njira iria yagirire na kwa ihinda riria ritanyitwo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV de kaunti-ini ya Embu, njitagwo Martin Munene.